Hi guys! We're here at Trudeau's. Kita? Look! Yeah! So it's all white. It's all white.
No
It's
joke,
all white.
Okay ka, dawa na ho. Kuan na.
It's all white. So, let's try to eat the snow that here.
Lubog na.
So, no. No.
Rafael.
Kauna, radyo pagtunla.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Ay, alaoy na to. Katapinis.
Dekatap ka to.
Uy, katap.
It's cold. Lisod sad.
Kaon magay kag ice cream nga.
I already swallow it.
Tuo naman kaon. Kaon magay kag ice cream. Gahapon.
It's the same taste in your fridge if you're going to clean. I'm just gonna put it in my nose.
Ah.
Tea. No, I know you can do it.
Video mo na to magkaon kag ice.
Oh,
I thought you said you wanted to make snowman.
Dili man na to.
but I know you already did it.
Dili man na
You're
to.
not helping.
I know you can do it. So guys, may free yung pampa-beauty.
Beauty, they see beauty.
Yes, beauty product.
Ice.
But it's too cold.
Ato kuan sa ila.
Huh?
Ayan na.
Tea. So, let's take another. Dapat yung clean. Yung maglilinis kayo ng ayan, fridge. New. So,
Let's
try.
Yan, naman ang ice kaon.
lamig ka na. Let's try. Let's try one more time. Eh!
Ayan na, can you give me my phone?
Wait,
Pabugnaw ra ko sa ka.
it's cold. Eh! Oh, ngipon.
Ato ikuan sa ngipon. Ice challenge.
Same sa fridge.
Kuan lagi.
Kulang na lang yung gatas, mangga, yung ingredients sa sa halo-halo. Kasi may na dito, ice. Yeah, it's nice. Sarap. Ang sarap. Oh, what? Yati!
Say, apa Vromi?
Hoy, brome! Yati, brome!
Ekla het je Vromi.
Rohi! Oy, brome.
Who is Vromi? Did you smell your fart?
Oh! Pag wala kayong dalang tubig din eh.
Give me my phone.
So you can...
My phone. My phone. My phone.
Ella, let's... Hi guys! Say hi! Madam!
She farted all the time.
Hoy! Because it's cold! It's cold, that's why. You can fart everywhere.
He's like the best snowman I made in my life.
It's cold.